Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at these controllers. Now, these are the controllers right here, and I wanted to point out the really nice, easy to use layout here on these controllers. You've got your 4 buttons over here on the right, and then in the middle, you've got your function buttons over here, including that button right there that says T. That is actually a turbo button, so you can go ahead and turn on a turbo mode if you would like. You've got your joysticks, which feel nice and smooth, and just overall have a nice, good amount of grip to them and are easy to use. And then you've also got your arrow pad there at the bottom left. I also wanted to show you back here, we've got our bumpers and also our triggers. Now, I will mention something about these triggers is they seem binary. They seem kind of like buttons rather than kind of slow press pedals. They feel a little bit more like on or off buttons, and I like that a lot actually about this controller. I also wanted to point out that there is a USB-C charging port back here. You'll go ahead and actually use the charging cable that comes with the controllers. You get one for each controller, which I really appreciate, and that is a USB-A to USB-C cable. Overall, guys, I really like these controllers a lot. They're compatible with quite a few different devices, and I've been super pleased with them. I think they're really nice and high quality, and I really would appreciate using these controllers when I'm gaming, and for that reason, I would highly recommend them. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.